Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to our recorded class. And how about let's start with our date for today. Today is September 6, 2021, and today is a Monday. We always say good morning about our letters. Now, the remaining letters that we didn't discuss last time, we will start with U. The letter U, capital U and lowercase u. How about we practice writing? Big U is like a cup. Start by going down and up. You have your capital U. Lowercase u. An upside down umbrella makes the small letter U. Down, then go up. Add a line going through. Capital U and lowercase u. And even though they don't look alike, they both have the same sound. Sound letter U. Now, how about for the things that go in you? Just like the underground. Who lives in the underground? It's the moles and the earthworms and the rabbits. So this is what you call underground. And just like underground, we have U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And what else? U for the umbrella bird. This is a special bird. It's called an umbrella bird because it has a feather, big feathers on its head. So when it rains, the umbrella bird won't get wet. Another picture for letter U is the umpire. This is the umpire. When you play baseball, the umpire will tell you if your ball goes in and if it's out. So that's the umpire. And what else? How about balloon? Do we put balloon in U? No, balloon begins with B, not U. How about for the next letter? We have the letter V. Slant down first, then up, like so. This upside down volcano is ready to blow. We have capital V and lowercase v. Little v is ready to vroom. Down, then up, and it's out of the room. So we have capital V and lowercase v, and they both have the vroom sound, letter V. What are some things that go in V? Just like the volcano. Volcano begins with V. And when it erupts, the volcano is quite dangerous because the lava is very hot. It will come out and it has a very big and loud sound. Whoosh. Volcano. What goes in letter V just like volcano? V is for the vulture, a big bird. V is also for the vegetables. When you eat your vegetables, it will keep you healthy. Is V for the rat? No, rat doesn't go in V. Rat begins with R. How about van? Yes, van begins with V. And when you ride a van, you can ride with lots of people in a van because it's a big vehicle. Another letter is the letter W. W has two pointy waves. Swim in the water if you're brave. One and two. Two pointy waves. Capital W. Lowercase w. Letter W is a wacky one. Down, up. Down and up. And you're already done. So we have capital W and lowercase w. And W has the w sound. Letter W. And what else? Oh, we have our next pictures here. The next set, we have W for the wave. 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 And how about, let's do W for watermelon. W for watermelon. What else? W for watering can. W for one. But how about hamster? Hamster doesn't begin with W. Hamster is for letter H. It doesn't have the w sound. For this one, we have letter X. X marks the spot. Remember, crisscross. And in case you forget, where is the treasure? X marks the spot. Capital X. Lowercase x. Crisscross applesauce. X marks the spot. Make sure your pencil starts at the dot. Capital X, lowercase x, and they both have the sound letter X. That's letter X for you. And what are some things that go in X? Just like in our lesson before, the doctor and the nurses check your bones using the X-ray machine. X-ray machine begins with X. But what else begins with X? Is X for the 10th? X for the 10th? No, 10th begins with the letter T, not X. Is X for the xylophone? Yes, it begins with xylophone. X begins with xylophone. How about this one? Maybe in the office of mommy and daddy, they use the Xerox machine. This one helps to copy the work that they have. Xerox machine, does it have sound? Yes, Xerox machine. And the last one, a special fish. It's called the X-ray fish because the X-ray fish, you see its bones, like, just like the X-ray machine. So you have xylophone, Xerox machine, X-ray fish, and the X-ray machine for X. We have the next letter. It's the letter Y. Capital Y has a V in the air. The pole at the bottom, it holds it there. We have capital Y, lowercase y. Y is a yo-yo swimming to the ground. Slant down, right, and left, and take it underground. So you have capital Y and lowercase y. And Y has the y sound. Now we have some pictures here that have the Y sound. Now we have an arrow pointing at the yellow part of the egg. You call this one a yolk. So whenever you eat your eggs, when you see that yellow part, it's called a yolk. Y for yolk. What else goes in Y? The ones with the y sound. Y is for the yo-yo, a toy that goes up and down. Y is for the yak, an animal that is hairy and lives in the mountains. Y is for the yarn. You use the yarn to make sweaters and mittens and also socks. And how about log? Do we put log in Y? No. Log begins with L. It has the L sound. Now we're down to the last letter, and we have the letter Z. Capital Z, lowercase z. Zippy Z is easy to write. Zigzag 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it looks just right. So we have capital Z, lowercase z. Follow Z to the zoo today. 1, 2, 3, and you're on your way. So we have capital Z and lowercase z, and they both have the Z sound just like the buzzing bees. Letter Z. Now, let's put the pictures that go in Z. The ones with the Z sound just like the zoo. What goes in Z just like zoo? Can we put the cake in zoo and in letter Z? No! Cake doesn't begin with letter Z, but with letter C. Sound. How about zipper? Yes, zipper goes in the letter Z. Zebra. Yes, zebra goes in Z. And zookeeper. Yes, zookeeper also goes in Z. So those are some pictures that has the Z sound. Now it's time for your work time. I have here to trace our letters. Now this time you have to follow, trace, and write your letters. When you make letter U, go under and up, capital U. Letter U, lowercase u. Go under, up, and a line going through, lowercase u. So you have capital U and lowercase u. How about for V? Upside down letter V, upside down volcano V. So let's go up and down. You have your capital V and lowercase v. You go down and up, capital V and lowercase v. So this is how you make your letter V, just like an upside down volcano. How about for W, just like the wave going up, and down. Also lowercase, up, and down. A wacky letter that likes going up and down, that's letter W. How about letter X? X marks the spot for your treasure chest. So remember, crisscross applesauce. This is how you make the letter X. So you have W and letter X. How about for this one? We have the letter Y and letter Z. So we have to make Y, V in the air, and a line to hold it there. Lowercase y is like a yo-yo swinging to the ground. Capital Y, lowercase y. Letter Z, zigzag 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You have your letter Z. capital Z, and lowercase z. So that's how you write Y and letter Z. And I hope that you did your work also for today. Finish it up so that I will see you also in our next class. But before that, how about I choose a friend for you? Let me choose the pig for Lian. And let me choose a friend also for you, Julius. Let me give you the fox. So these are the friends that we have for today, a new set. I hope to see you tomorrow. Sorry, on Wednesday, I mean, because tomorrow on Tuesday, it's gonna be a synchronous class schedule. I won't meet you on our online class. We won't have one, but I have prepared a video for you to watch during a synchronous class. So I will see you on Wednesday. Please do your work for today. Bye-bye.